Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Wanted to go through the markets here and show you some of the key technical levels for this week on the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, and the Dow. So first off, though, starting tomorrow, we've got the FOMC meeting starting. So that'll be tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's what I call a major catalyst event. So could have a major push or catalyst to push the markets up or down. Coming back to the markets, though, the NASDAQ 100 you can see is coming into a very important moving average right here. This is the 50 simple moving average right there at about 68.27. So that's an area of support that needs to be held there. On the S&P 500 SPX, here's the key level right here is at 27.05, basically right here. That's a 50% retracement level from the swing high that we had in January 26 to that swing low of the 9th of February. So if this fails and we start getting on a closing basis a push under that major support of the 50% retracement, then you could easily see this market sell off back down to this 200-day moving average coming in at 25.80, or even retest that prior low. The key area for the Russell 2000 is right here at 154. So we're currently at the 50 simple moving average, and then 154. And then you can see the Dow is really broken through this trend line, currently sitting right here at that 382 retracement at 24,457. And it's in a volatility squeeze. So this is not looking good on the Dow. We're also looking weaker here on the S&P, but the key really is I'll be following that S&P 500 at this retracement level. So if we start getting a push below that into a closing basis, you know, you can look at some different short setups, maybe SPY, put spread, etc. So here's on the SPY ETF, I'll be watching closely this we'll call it 270, okay, the 270 level. And so if we get on a closing basis, you can see today we penetrated it. We've come back up so far, but we're not into the close. But if we start getting a close down here below that 270, good probability to go back down to potentially retest these lows down here. So, but we've got the Fed meeting, and be aware of that. That can be a major event. So the markets will probably wait until you know, Wednesday to see. I mean, if there's going to be a really massive sell-off, etc., it'd probably be Wednesday after the FOMC meeting's done, which is 1 o'clock Central on Wednesday. Hope this helps. Talk to you on my next video update.